this is Shannon at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach, Florida. Today we're going to be looking at the 2021 271 Canyon. We actually just got this boat in today and got it unwrapped right here, so we're going to go over it for you. This one is in the classic Grady-White color. You can't go wrong with this boat. It's timeless. It does not age. Again, Grady known for its CV2 hull. Got the softest, most stable, driest ride in the industry. Of course, you got your windlass anchor on the front. This boat is a beast out here on the water. 27-foot boat. It's one of the fastest boats in Grady's inventory. Twin 300s. This boat will move across the water in the 50s with ease. Hi, I'm up on the deck of the 271 Canyon. Up here you'll see a huge fish box. Of course, if you're fishing, you would probably have this down. But look how easy it comes up if you have plenty of people with you. You're going to go out fishing. This one has dual live wells. You have a live well here and also over here. Little bait prep area here. Then you got tackle storage drawers right there. Freshwater sink. Freshwater shower right there. At the helm, this boat is equipped with Helm Master, which is the Yamaha's version of the joystick controls. It's super smooth. It'll hold you on your point out if you're out fishing or just waiting in line at the marina to get gas. Flip up bolsters. Very comfortable helm seat. Hit you high on the back. I'm 6'2" and it comes up right in a good spot on my back, so I'm not in a strain when I operate the boat. This boat also has lockable rod storage under each of the gunnels on either side, port or starboard. Of course, this boat has not been rigged yet, so this is how it comes from the factory, but it has all the equipment and everything that we get ready on the boat. If you look up here, this boat is equipped with taco outriggers, so if you like to troll. And of course, the family loves this part. You got your nice bow seating with your pull-up backrests. Great day for the family. Then of course, you have your access to your windlass anchor up here. You can operate it from the bow or from the helm, either one. Again, this is a 271 Canyon. It's one of Grady's most popular boats. If you want to take a ride on this boat, just give me a call. My name's Shannon. My number's 850-630-5459. I'd love to take you out on the water.